If your goal is to not only become a morning person, but also have productive mornings and enjoy the morning and look forward to the morning time, then this video is for you. It's currently 4:44 a.m. It's getting better. I'm not that tired right now. 4:54 a.m. About to leave for the gym. I have to say, I do love the fact that it's not even 6 in the morning yet, and I've already gotten my workout in and already started editing a video. This morning was definitely the hardest so far. What's up, guys? I just got to work. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to teach y'all how to become a morning person. If you have a solid routine that you know works for you and that you enjoy, you can pretty much control that you're in a good mood in the morning. Like, you can wake up and set the tone of the day the way that you want it to be. Just a quick overview of what you can expect to find in this video. First, I'm gonna actually take you along vlog style of this entire past week, Monday through Friday. Every single morning, I vlogged a little bit about how my morning was going, waking up, you know, how I was feeling, different things that were working for me, and like just kind of take you along the experience with me. And then afterwards, we're gonna come back here and I'm gonna share with you my top 5 takeaways and biggest lessons learned from this week and action items that you can actually start implementing in your life to become a morning person and enjoy the mornings and be productive in the morning. If you are new here, hey, I'm Kat. Welcome over to my channel. I make videos all about life after college, from sharing my own personal experiences in my own life with you to, you know, giving you tips and tricks and hacks and lessons that I've learned over the past year and a half since graduating, and what has worked for me in creating a life that I'm proud of and that I really enjoy. So if you're interested in that, you should subscribe and come back for more videos. All right, without any further ado, let's get into the week. Good morning, guys. It's currently 4:44 a.m. I actually just put my gym clothes on before anything else, and that already woke me up. I'm actually not gonna have coffee until we get back from the gym, so I'm just drinking some water with a little bit of lemon. I'm gonna go to the gym, come back, and then I'll continue filming and let you know how it's going.
If nothing is what keeps gonna keep you just for a minute. I don't know what's real, but I really wanna feel you now.
It's now 6:17 a.m. and I am currently doing some work on my computer and drinking this protein shake. I don't have to leave till like 8. I have a bunch of time, so I'm gonna spend about an hour working on this and then about an hour to get ready and have breakfast and all of that. And as for how I'm feeling right now, not great. I'll be honest. It may look like I have more energy. I mean, I definitely do have more energy than I thought I would, but I'm definitely, like, I feel it. Like, I can feel that it's very, very early. Knowing that I'm working on something that's so important to me is really helping me to keep going and not go crawl back in bed. And also, this protein shake is really good. So it's now like 7:50-ish. I'm about to go change because, surprise, shocker, I'm not wearing these pants to work. I do love these though. I wish I could. That would be so fun if we had like a pajama day at work. Don't feel like that's gonna happen, but that would be cool. I also have been drinking some coffee as I curled my hair and just watching a couple YouTube videos. When I do watch YouTube videos in the morning, I tend to like to watch more motivational ones. So today I watched 5 productivity tips that make every week more efficient, and it's the Lifestyle Fix like little segment on the Financial Diet. The Financial Diet is the YouTube channel. I'll have it linked in the description, but I absolutely love that little segment on that channel. But just so you know, it's getting better. I'm not that tired right now. The coffee helped though. It's currently Tuesday, April 30th at 4:54 a.m. About to leave for the gym. Last night I was so tired. I fell asleep at like 9 o'clock, which is good. I got a decent amount of sleep last night, but if you could tell, I did not take my makeup off. I still have like all this black under my eyes, so I had to go wash my face. Back from the gym. Now it's almost 6 in the morning. If you remember yesterday, I didn't have my coffee until like later in the morning, but today I'm like, I really need it. So I have some coffee. Yes, I do like to drink it out of a straw. Just fun fact. And then I'm just working on this video, which is a productive Saturday routine, which is actually going up tomorrow. I have to say, I do love the fact that it's not even 6 in the morning yet, and I've already gotten my workout in and already started editing a video.
No, I don't fear the night. Let's show him what it is to be alive.
Hi guys, I'm filming this quick clip on my on my phone because I left my camera at home, but it's now 5:44 in the morning. We're almost back Holy cow. Is that funny? I'll be totally honest with y'all. Today, we did legs today at the gym and it was not the best workout I've ever had. Well, it got better as it went on, but this morning was definitely the hardest so far. It's only been the third day, but it was really, really difficult. But I wanted to say that because I still pushed through, and I think that's really important to know if you start going on to like switch up your routine like this, is it's not gonna be easy. It's gonna get hard, but you have to be able to push through. A little bit later, got my camera back. I have my lemon strawberry water and my oatmeal with peanut butter and strawberries, and I'm actually just sitting here editing the video that's actually going up later today. It's currently Wednesday, May 1st. Oh, happy May. It's currently 6:14 a.m. and I am just working on this video while I eat my breakfast, and then we'll get ready. Good morning. So today is Friday and it's currently like 7 a.m. I want to say. I'm about to leave for work, which is why I haven't really vlogged much yet this morning. I've kind of been rushing because I am going into work a little bit earlier than I normally do. Normally I go in around 8, but I just have so much to do today that I wanted to get in there early, especially because it's Friday, make sure I get everything done before the weekend. So I'm going to be heading in to work right now. My outfit, if you were curious, this shirt is like old tank top type of thing. Move my hair. This is from TJ Maxx, and then my sweater is from Ralph Lauren. Something like that, just a basic white sweater. My jeans are from J. Crew. They're just some high-waisted black jeans, and then my shoes are my Steve Madden little like sneakers that I got from TJ Maxx. What's up, guys? I just got to work. Also, yes, I do need my glasses to drive, FYI, but I just wanted to share this with you because it literally just happened. Why do I do this? Do you see what that is? That's my gas light, and it's on, and it just went on. So now, actually, I should turn my car off, right? So now all day at work, all I'm gonna be thinking about is, gosh darn it, Kat, you're gonna have to get gas on your way home, don't forget. But now I'm gonna go to work. Bye, guys. Hi guys, welcome back. So now I'm going to share with you the top 5 takeaways and lessons learned from this past week and how I'm going to be continuing on this journey, because yes, I'll be honest with you, I loved it. What is your motivation? Obviously you clicked on this video, so you have some reason for why you want to wake up early. Figure out what it is that you want to work towards and spend that time in the morning doing. Write it down, put it somewhere where you're going to see it every day, because it's going to take time to get used to it. I'm not saying it's not, but having that thing that you can think back to and be like, no, this is why you want to do this, is going to make all of the difference. The waking up part. Obviously, if you normally go to bed at midnight and you try and go to bed at 9 o'clock, it's not going to work. Your body's not going to do it. You're going to end up lying in bed just being like, okay, 3 more hours till I fall asleep. And it's going to be a huge waste of time. Say you're going to start on Monday morning. Sunday night, go to bed whatever time you normally go to bed. You go to bed at midnight, go to bed at midnight. Don't switch anything up. But then for Monday morning, what you're going to do is set your alarm clock for half an hour earlier than what you actually want to wake up for. Now, you're not going to snooze that alarm. When Monday morning comes, you're going to wake up at that extra early time. So if you want to start waking up at 5 a.m., your alarm Monday morning is going off at 4:30 a.m. and you are getting out of bed at 4:30 a.m. It's going to be a hard day, not gonna lie, it's gonna be difficult, but you want to keep moving. Don't take a nap, no naps allowed. And then when the nighttime comes, you're going to be exhausted. As you saw for me, Monday night, I fell asleep at like 9 o'clock. Tuesday morning, I woke up, I felt great. Obviously the first few seconds of waking up were difficult, but once I was out of bed, I was like, holy cow, I'm really not that tired. Like this, I feel like I got a good night's sleep. I feel rested. And the next night you'll go to bed earlier, wake up earlier, and then the pattern will continue. And that kind of leads me into my next tip, which is to stick to the routine. If you may have noticed, I didn't have any footage for Thursday morning, and that's because Wednesday night I had actually slept over Tim's house, my boyfriend, and so Thursday morning I still woke up around 5 a.m. 4:45 a.m., but I did not go to the gym. That kind of took me out of the routine. Thursday night, I did not fall asleep as early, and then Friday morning, it was harder to wake up. And obviously, it's important to be able to not wake up at 5 one morning and then still do it the next day, because that's life. You're not going to be able to wake up at 5 literally every morning for the rest of your life. But that early in the week, I did not realize how much of a negative effect that would be. So what I would say is, for the first month or so that you're doing this, is to be extremely strict with yourself. If your goal is to wake up at 5, you gotta wake up at 5 every single morning. This includes weekends. And that way it's gonna be a lot easier when you do have to switch it up and, you know, maybe you wake up at 6 o'clock or even 9 o'clock. Say one day you wake up at 9 o'clock, you don't go to bed till midnight that night. It's gonna be a lot easier to get yourself back into the habit if you've already been used to it for so long. Just get up, don't hit snooze. First of all, you may think that 10 extra minutes are gonna do you good. They're not, they're actually gonna hurt you. Every single time I hit snooze, I end up feeling worse. As soon as my alarm goes off, I'll reach up and turn on my light so it's bright, and it's a lot harder to fall back asleep if the light's on. And then I pop out of bed, put my gym clothes on, get some coffee, get some water, and I'm good to go. Fifth final tip that I learned is to not slow down. So you get up as soon as that alarm goes off, you get dressed, you get to the gym, you get your workout in, you come home and you sit on the couch and turn on Netflix. No. The second you take a break that early in the morning, it's gonna be so easy to fall out of the routine and to kind of just be like, you know, I'm gonna chill. I already did my workout, I'm good. But no, you don't have, that's not your only goal. You have so many more goals and you can achieve them. For me, I typically get back from the gym around 6 a.m. and I have to leave for work around 8 a.m. I start getting ready for work around like 7:20ish, I would say. So 6 to 7:20ish, I am doing work. I am editing a video, I'm planning a video, I'm working on creating a brand for myself. I was doing research, like reading different marketing, branding books, or articles, and I noticed that if I like checked my phone, scrolled through Instagram, it became so easy to just keep scrolling, just keep scrolling. Probably shouldn't have done that, that was my phone, but whatever. You can make your goals happen, you just have to be willing to put in the work. I'm a huge believer of the law of attraction and having that mindset, but I also don't think that anything is gonna come to you if you don't put in the work. What is your biggest goal at the moment? It could have to do with health, fitness, career, lifestyle, hobby, literally anything. What is your biggest goal? Let me know in the comments if you watched till this part. And I have a ton more of like week in my life style videos where I take you through my weeks and my life after college and what I do and what I enjoy and all of that fun stuff. So if you were interested in that, I'll have it linked on the screen. And I love you guys so much. I hope you stick around and I'll see you in my next video.